Hi, this is Greg. Today I'm going to have a look at a bug relating to NDI inputs. Let's get started. So first of all, just opening up Wirecast, and I'm going to start with an empty document just so that there's nothing weird. And I've got over here a bunch of titles that are coming from Title Alive. I'll pull a few of them in. Now, just before saying anything else, one of the things that annoys me about using Title Alive with Wirecast is that when I activate these shots, it automatically fires the title. I don't necessarily always want that. For example, just imagine if I had a social media chat overlay that I wanted to move or hide from display. So I might clear that layer. I don't know if that's the layer. Yes, it was. So I wanted to clear that layer, and later on, we're changing our shots, and I want to not necessarily activate it right there and then, but make it available so that when the person controlling the titles is ready, they can send a new message. I don't necessarily want to see this one again. So unfortunately at the moment, Wirecast will refire whatever title was live on that shot when it was last used. So that's one problem. Let's just have a look at that again in some of these other layers over here. So again, I don't necessarily want to always fire the title from Wirecast. Sometimes if I've got a two-person operation, I'd like to be controlling the titles from the Title Alive console. Anyway, that aside, so at the moment we've got a connection to Greg's MacBook Pro local, and it's working and it's receiving. We're going to close that window. We're not going to bother saving that document, and we're going to make a new document again. Now at the moment we've just added one of those titles back onto the screen, but it's not working. For some reason, the state of NDI after you close a document where you had NDI sources and then you create a new document, somehow NDI gets stuck and there's no information relating to that connection there. If I try and hit the reconnect button, nothing happens, unfortunately. This is 100% repeatable. This happens absolutely every time you try this demonstration. I'm running Wirecast 9.0.1 and the most recent beta version of Title Alive. Anyway, that's all for now. So two problems: one, reconnecting to NDI sources, and two, automatically firing of titles from Wirecast. There needs to be a way to disable that. Anyway, that's all for today. Thanks. See you next time.